Good morning. How are you today? Are you happy? That's great. Okay, let's start now. Can you give teacher smile first? Can you smile pin like this? Pin. Pin. Can you smile? Okay, let's start now. Pin, we are going to talk about Christmas, okay? Let's start. Can you tell me what is this? What is it? It's a... Very good. Can you touch the Christmas tree? Where's the Christmas tree? Very good. Next, how about this one? It's a... Okay, can you find where's the Santa Claus? Very good. Next, how about this one? It's a... What is this? Very good. Can you find where's the candy cane? Good job, Pin. Next, how about this one? It's a... Is it a star? Yes, it is. Can you touch the star? Very good. Next, how about this one? It's a... Very good. Next, can you show the sleigh? Okay, next, how about this one? It's a... Okay, is it a reindeer? Yes, it is. Next, Pin, how about this one? It's a... Very good. Next, it's a... Where's the reed? Can you show the reed? Okay, very good, Pin. Next, let's talk about letter. Very good. Next, can you tell me what is it? What sound does make of letter H? Okay, next. Very good. How about this one? Do you like to eat hamburger? Very good. Next, it's a... Is it a hammer? Good job, Pin. Next, what body part is it? Can you show your hands? Where's your hands? How many hands do you have? Very good. Next, what shape is it? Can you tell me what color is the heart? Red. Okay, last one. It's a... Very good. Good job, Pin. High five, Pin. Bye, Pin.